could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something. Okay, this is straight out of the box from HerGivenHair. But I feel like we can do this a little bit better, so let's go ahead and throw her in some water and get her really blended with our natural hair. And I know what you guys were thinking in the beginning, oh my God, Cindy, you didn't dye your hair? No, I didn't. That was just magic. HerGivenHair magic, to be exact. So I am now going to co-wash the hair with some Pattern deep conditioner. Is it a deep conditioner from Pattern? I think it's a regular conditioner, but we're going to use a heavy conditioner from Pattern to go ahead and co-wash the hair. I like co-washing my natural hair as well, so this is something that I do with my natural hair, and I like to practice on my HerGivenHair wig the same way I would on regular natural hair. So once that is all done, we are going to let that soak for a little bit. If you want to, just let that lay, and sometimes you can let it condition for a little bit. You don't need to though. If you're co-washing, you can go ahead and wash that out. We just want those curls to really pop, and we want the hair to be clean and full of volume whenever we are wearing it. So I like to co-wash for exactly that reason, and deeply, thoroughly rinse it out. Make sure you're wringing out all of the water inside of it, because we do not want it to be dripping down our back whenever we are trying to style it. So I like to do this, and then maybe I might dry it as well. Got the box a little bit wet, but it also comes with some extra combs for the wig if you want to use it. And I cut the tiny little piece at the front so that we can make it more of like a V part wig, but you can make this wig as like seamless as possible when it comes to the leave out. You don't need this much leave out. In fact, this is the smallest amount of leave out I actually have used wearing this wig. And I just keep my hair in a little ponytail. You can put little twists if you want to, and you just clip it right there. And it might take a little while because I like it to be aligned perfectly. I don't like it to compromise with the leave out that I have there, but I also want it to look a little more realistic. So I'm going to be very careful with the way I'm placing it as well. And once that is placed, we're going to keep on going on with making sure that the hair is popping with those curls and that is blending in. So let me show you guys how I blend in my leave out with this almost no leave out wig, because I personally love a good leave out, you know. So the way they colored this wig I love, because they did leave the roots naturally black, and my hair is naturally black. I don't dye my hair. I don't like dyeing my hair. I think the last time I dyed my hair was in college, and I used to bleach just my leave out, literally patches of my leave out. No more. I won't be doing that anymore. Anywhere that you see any knots or anything like that, also make sure that you get that out of the wig, because you don't want that to interfere with how the hair looks at the end. But I used to bleach my leave out before, guys, and I love that they leave the roots natural black, because I don't have to do much about making sure that my hair is blending in. So we're going to go in with the lock method, and we're going to use the leave-in conditioner to start off. And I douse my hair in product. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I do. Not my regular hair, not my natural hair, obviously. But when it comes to wigs, I think you have a little more flexibility to go ahead and douse your hair in product. So I'm going to use this product on my head. And I'm going to evenly distribute it across all of the hair. And you know, the hair is still damp at this point, but you can see it's already drying up really nicely and poofing up, as opposed to whenever it was first done. But when it's doing this, when you're doing this process, you are gonna have to let it dry at the end again. But that's why I let my face be, you know, and let that happen during the drying process. So you're going to evenly distribute all of that leave-in conditioner across of your hair. And after you put in the leave-in conditioner, obviously we're going to go in with the oil, and I use the oil from Sacred. You're going to go in after that with any moisturizer or gel to lock it in. And yeah, let's keep on going with this hair routine so you guys can see the magic happen. after that, you're going to make sure to blend the leave out doing the exact same method. And when that is all done, you can see it's looking good. We're going to clip it away to make sure that we are doing our face. And with the face and the hair done, baby, it's a go. This is a beautiful look. And I promise you, day 2 hair is even better. All the information on Her Given Hair will be in the description box down below. And go ahead and check them out. Smooches.